This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about glasses, specifically these Elysia glasses. And we have two sizes here, the 7-ounce whiskey glass and the 15-ounce drinking glass. And you can see they've got an elegant, beautiful design that's really nice and modern. It's got these beautiful vertical slashes or lines that create nice reflective facets. And then on that weighted bottom, you have a nice almost diamond or Harlequin-esque kind of pattern there that's just reflective and gorgeous and adds a little bit of sparkle, but it's kind of subtle and a little less detailed than maybe the more traditional design you might find on a whiskey glass that's a little more ornate. So they make for an elegant service of both whiskeys, whether that's on the rocks or mixed as a cocktail, but also a wide variety of other beverages. And I actually love these 15-ounce just for water or soda, tea. It's got a nice little bit of reflective surface, adds a little bit of detail, and it's just a beautiful polished finish to your service. The crystal clear glass is lead-free and dishwasher safe, which is fantastic and makes cleanup easy. They can stand up to heavy daily use, meaning they're perfect for use in commercial environments like restaurants, bars, and hotels, but they're also a fantastic option for use at home since they're made to stand up to that heavy duty beating they're going to get in a commercial environment. They also have nice weighted bases, so it's a nice thick base at the bottom, which makes them really steady and sturdy and less prone to tipping. So you're going to get a nice stable glass that's perfect for sending out on trays with your cocktail waitresses, right? And great for service. So less accidents, less messes. It's always a positive thing. So these are a perfect option for bars and restaurants that are looking for an elegant option for whiskey and drinking glasses, or just for use at home in your own bar setup.